Here's the latest on xtalks.com. New research published in Science Advances shows an innovative way to extract cyan blue dye from red cabbage that could be used in foods such as ice cream and replace synthetic dyes in food. Hello, I'm Mira Nabulsi, multimedia editor and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is Food Safety and Supply Chain Traceability, a Holistic Approach. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. Food coloring is an essential part of the food and beverage industry. Some research suggests that using synthetic dyes is not healthy for the consumer, and the color blue is not easy to find in nature, making it a difficult artificial color to replicate. Typically, the reds and purples in cabbages are used as a natural food dye. But scientists used synthetic biology and computational protein design to develop an enzymatic process to transform red cabbage anthocyanins into a desired color. Children in the US consume 2,000 gallons of colorful dyes every day. This is based on a study by Kind in 2014. We can safely say that number has increased since then. Studies have found a correlation between food coloring consumption with hyperactivity, behavioral changes, hives, and tumor growth in people. The behavioral effect in children from synthetic dyes was first proposed in 1975 by Benjamin F. Feingold, who was a pediatric allergist from California. The FDA interpreted this as inconclusive evidence. This hypothesis was then revisited by multiple researchers, but not much has changed in the regulations thus far. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured food webinar for this episode, Food Safety and Supply Chain Traceability, a Holistic Approach. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.